Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas PC. And today we're going to talk about a sales and use tax compliance checklist. That I want to tell y'all about. I'm going to give you a few little tips to help you prepare one. And so, here's the music. Hi everybody, thanks so much for finding us. Today we're going to talk about a sales and use tax compliance checklist. I know that as business owners and bookkeepers and accountants, sales tax can be a little bit daunting and confusing, but we're going to try to just demystify that just a little bit and give you some tips and a checklist. Well, the beginnings of a checklist. So let's start with number one, know your taxing authority. When I say know the taxing authority, I'm talking about identify the state and local taxing authorities where you need to report sales and use tax, where you conduct in business, okay? Where you conduct in business. The other part of that is determine where you have Nexus. Nexus is presence in a jurisdiction. So, as I've stated ad nauseum, you're probably tired of hearing me. You have economic nexus and physical nexus. Where you are physically located means you have a presence there. You have established you need to report sales and use tax to that jurisdiction. Okay. But economic nexus is not about physical presence. It's about sales levels or numbers of transactions. So it's important that you identify where you may have economic nexus as well as physical nexus. The other thing, number 3, understand the taxability treatment of the things that you are selling. What you're selling a taxable good? Is it a taxable service? Do you sell taxable and non-taxable items? You need to know the taxability treatment in the jurisdictions where you do business of the items that you are selling and plan and tax that accordingly. The other thing is set up your sales tax collection apparatus. The ticket booth, okay? You need to know that your sales system, whether it's point of sale or e-commerce platform, is collecting the correct sales tax, okay? At checkout. Make sure that it is handling not only the sale correctly, but any associated fees like shipping and handling. Are they being handled correctly as well? And the other thing is, and this is very important, maintain accurate records. Keep your documents. If you are ever audited, the auditor is going to want to review your accounting records. And that includes your general ledger, your fixed asset ledger, as well as purchase invoices, sales invoices. Make sure that you have all of your records, and you must have them for the statute of limitations for sales and use tax, and that is typically 3 to 4 years. Summary reports are all well and good. They want to drill down to the detail, people, okay? So, you may have had 10,000 sales in the month of January. They want to know, Stephanie bought this, Ray bought that, Barbara bought this on this day, this is the invoice number. They want that kind of detail, okay? So you have to make sure that you have that kind of detail available in case they come knocking at your door. Hi everyone, this is a quick break from the video just to let everyone know that something exciting is coming down the pike. We are going to be talking about it in future videos and giving you more little teases about it, but we are so excited. It is something we've been working on for quite some time, and I am very, very hopeful that you all will like it. So you gotta keep watching the videos to know more about it, but I'll give you all a hint. It starts with a C, it has an O and an M, and another M. You know where I'm going. Stay tuned. Bye. Also, review your exemptions. If your total sales and your taxable sales are not equal, that means there are some exempt sales in there. Make sure you have the appropriate documentation to substantiate those exempt sales. And that's 6 tips. That's not everything, everybody, but I don't want this to be too long. Those are 6 tips to help you with your sales and use tax compliance checklist. If you want more information, please let me know. Our information is going to be below. You can contact, including how you can contact us. If you like more checklist ideas, let me know that too. We want to respond and be a resource for you and make sales and use tax compliance a little bit easier for you. So thanks again, and don't forget to thumb up the video as well as subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel, people. We're trying to grow. So subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks, everybody.